I chose to be a learning disability nurse because I wanted to work with people with learning disabilities. I wanted to support them to promote their health and well-being, to essentially improve their quality of life. It's a real privilege to work with people with learning disabilities and their supporters to overcome any barriers that they may face, to essentially reduce health inequalities and make a real difference to their lives. You can find learning disability nurses working in multidisciplinary community teams, in schools, in specialist residential services, in hospitals, even prisons. As part of your nursing degree, you will study core modules that are fundamental to the role of the registered nurse. As a learning disability nursing student, you will undertake in-depth study around children and adults with learning disabilities. This will include positive behaviour support, health inequalities and support and access to healthcare. Your studies will be split 50-50 across theory and practice. Theory will entail classroom-based teaching and time spent in the clinical simulation suite, which will allow safe practice of your clinical skills. Practice will involve placements in a variety of settings where you'll be supervised and assessed by registered learning disability nurses. As part of our teaching team, we have a Teaching and Research Advisory Committee, also known as TRAC. TRAC are a group of individuals with learning disabilities that are actively involved in delivering teaching to our nursing students. This ensures a rich, authentic learning experience. The demand for learning disability nurses across the lifespan is growing. There's never been a more exciting time to train to be a learning disability nurse.